Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to change the simulate color space on your Samsung Galaxy device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap on the settings app. Now scroll down at the end. At the bottom you can see developer option. Tap on it. If you can't find developer option, find the build number and tap on it 7 times to activate developer mode. Now tap on the search icon at the top right and search the simulate color space. Now tap on a simulate color space. Now tap on a simulate color space option. By default select disable. You can choose monochrome. Select the color you want to set on your device. It's quite easy to change simulate color space on your Samsung Galaxy devices. That's it. Please like it, share it.